Hello and welcome back to another unboxing video by myself, the glorious Mr. Ryan Pratton. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel. Please subscribe to it right now, okay? Obedience is best around here. Anyway, back with another unboxing video, and back in my little portable film studio, my car, supplied to me by the glorious people over at Splend. Do go check them out if you're thinking of becoming an Uber driver but think you can't afford a new car. They will hook you up. They will hook you up. They're absolutely fantastic. Anyway, we'll get that out of the way. Today's unboxing is the Nanocam NCP-DVRFHD2. So a whole lot of numbers and letters, but I'm sure they mean something to well, you. So anyway, the box itself is quite cool. As you can see, it's a reasonably sized box. It's big enough. That's what she said. And while opening it is no problem at all, because you got this nice little velvety tab down here, which you just use that to pull the top off. Okay, and you are presented with this. It's sort of like a plastic case. Now I've already removed the sticky tape from the top and the bottom, but it's present, and it will be present when you buy this. Go buy this. I'm just kidding. I had to pay for this. It's not a sponsored video at all, unless I get monetization. Please, gods of YouTube, give me monetization. Anyway, without further ado, along the front here you will see that it has the list of the accessories within the box. So you got your dash cam, the rear camera, the 12 to 24 volt adapter, 3M adhesive windscreen mount, still not a sponsored video, but 3M, they are the best. And the user guide, which I'm not going to read, because let's face it, I'm a guy. Okay, so we pull the front off, which actually it proves to be quite annoying to get off the first time. To get it off the second time wasn't so bad. I'd already taken this off by the time I decided I wanted to make this video. Okay, I'll clear that up right now, but I did not go any further. So behind this you are presented with your front facing camera and its stand. Okay, so we'll take that little plastic recess out of there. Now if I can just get I can't seem to get the camera out. Come on out, camera. Okay. Whew. I kind of need that to happen. Oh, okay. So there's your camera. All right. That's what's going to be mounted in front of you. I don't know where I'm going to put it on my windscreen yet, but it's got this little label on the back, and it says, "Attention, dash cam must be plugged into power to operate." No, you don't say. Refer to user manual for further information. It's got this nice little blue sticker that says that right there for your reading pleasure. You can pause the video if you feel like I'm lying to you about what it says. I have no reason to lie. And then you got its little stand thing there, and just to prove that it came with the 3M tape, there it is, 3M, or as you're reading it, ME, because for some goddamn reason my phone puts everything backwards. Okay, so maybe I'll just try to assemble that right now. It's got a little slot in the top there that this slides into. Yeah, actually, I think that's the bottom, because that's where the power cables seems to go. Why does it have? Ah, okay. So it's got one size power cable for each 12 and 24 volt. So you got the micro USB and then the old micro USB, and that just seems to slide into the top nice and easy, just like that. Okay, continuing with our unboxing, here's a white piece of plastic that crap came out of, and the accessories, which apparently the back camera is an accessory, not an actual part of the camera. This comes in this nice pristine white box, and just in case you were wondering what's inside the box, it says accessories on it, over and over and over and over. Okay, I'm surprised it's not written on either end as well. So we'll just slip our finger in there and pull that up like a regular box. that was stuck to the top. Or is that the top of the side, or whatever, the opening part. I'm assuming that's part of the stand for the back camera. That will go down there. Okay, so inside this little box you've got this neat little bag. And it's got the power cable. I thought this was meant to be a hardwire kit, but it's got a cigarette lighter cable in it for some reason. I will not be using the cigarette lighter, I will be hardwiring it. Okay. Ah, there's your hardwire kit. And just, what the hell? Okay. Okay, I'm so switched off here. But you and I are going on this journey of enlightenment together. Okay, we'll open this little plastic bag, which, as you can see, was the last thing inside that box. I was promised a back camera, and that really tripped me out, because I've realized now that the back camera is actually inside this bag with the wiring. So here's your hardwire kit. And that looks like, yeah, it's just a couple of loose wires. It doesn't come with a fuse for you. Oh well. That's going to be interesting to wire in. Oh well. And this here, right at the very end of this cable, that appears to be your rear-mounted camera with its screws. And it's got the 3M mounting tape for that, along with this little square thing, which I'm assuming that somehow slots into. Oh god, this is going to be a challenge of a thing to put together. Why doesn't that work? It doesn't appear to work. Okay, well anyway, this 3M tape is the same shape as that thing, so I'm assuming it can just stick on the back of the window and then you tighten up these little screws. Anyway, that has been the Nanocam NCP-DVRFHD2. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. Like I said earlier, please like and subscribe for more content just like this. I think I'm going to do more unboxings in the future. That may be the direction that my channel takes. You guys are awesome. I love you very much. Take it easy. Bye.